5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Long 5 right tightens. Into long 6 left and 5 right 30. Long 5 right into care long 5 left narrows. Right into long 5 left and jump into 6 right 30, care long 6 right and crest and turn 3 right and 6 left opens into care 3 right, cruise outside, split into 5 left into care 2 right tightens, 3 outside, 34 right over crest, long 5 left tightens to 3, opens long. Into 4 right over crest, and long 3 left opens. And keep left over crest, 50, long 3 right tightens. Into big jump, 50, turn open hairpin left. 50 crest and 2 left tightens over railway and 2 right and long 6 right 50 and split 150 here 6 right over crest, rock outside and left and 6 right straight 70 and long 6 right over crest into very long 6 left over bounce into care straight crest and 6 left and right around rock, into 6 left over jump, 250 over bumps. Here split and 4 left over crest, 3 outside, 70. 6 right over crest, 70. Keep 6 right over crest, into dip, 30, turn 2 left over crest, opens. 34 left and 3 right. Into long 3 left over crest. 34 left over crest. Into long 6 right over crest, 70. Long 5 right tightens to 3. 50 long 3 left. 50 over finish, 6 left, 50 to stop.